Salut. Well, this is how you say hello in French. And FYI, you can also say salute when you want to say goodbye. Anyway, today's video is about answering the roundup. We're going to consider this as a revision. And before we start, I would like it if you would go to page 58 and try to answer the roundup on your own before you watch this video. All right? Now, open up your books and go to page 58, and we're going to answer the vocabulary first. It's really important that you understand the meaning of every word written in bold, okay? You're going to have to memorize their meaning, okay? All of them, all the words written in bold. Now, the vocabulary exercise consists of two parts. The first part is A. They're asking you to circle the correct words. Number one, my sister likes doing the chores or roles around the house. Before you choose, you have to know the meaning of the words chores and roles. We've said before that the word chores is a routine task you usually do in your home, right? So in Arabic it means أعمال روتينية, أعمال منزلية, أعمال يومية. All right, and the word roles could be a noun, and it could also be a verb. If it's a noun, then it's something that is shaped like a tube, okay, like a tube. لفائف, okay, this is the meaning. Roles means لفائف. It can also be a verb, which means to turn something over and over. يلف, okay. But here, in this sentence, it's a noun and it means لفائف. So, my sister likes doing the chores or roles around the house. Obviously, it's chores. Number two, let me interrupt or introduce you to my cousin, Justin. Interrupt means to stop someone from speaking or from doing something, all right? Introduce, it's to tell someone's name to another person when they meet for the first time. So interrupt means مقاطعة, okay? When you're interrupting something or someone, you're تقاطعينه from doing something or from speaking. And introduce means يقدم, okay? So, what do you think? Is it interrupt or introduce you to my cousin Justin? You told his name, so obviously it's introduce. All right, next, number three. At best or down, a stranger approached the house. What do we mean by best? Best means the highest quality, okay, or the most suitable something, okay? So al-afdal, best means al-afdal. The word down is the period of day when the light appears for the first time, okay? So dawn means الشروق or الفجر, all right? So what do you think? At best or at dawn, a stranger approached the house. Think. The answer is dawn, all right? It's dawn. Number four, leave the butter in the frying pan until it melts or it pours. We said before that melt means when something changes from a solid to liquid, all right? And pours means to put something from, to move something, okay? To move a liquid, actually. It has to be a liquid. To move a liquid from one container to another. So melts means يذوب and pours يسكب. So, what do you think? Leave the butter in the frying pan. We know the meaning of the frying pan. It's the pan that you use to fry things like eggs or like burgers, right? قلاية in Arabic. All right, so the answer is melts, okay? Number five, Sally wanted to make lasagne, but she didn't have any of the ingredients. Lasagne here means lasagna, all right? but she didn't have any of the ingredients. Ingredients are the things that you use to make a dish, okay? They're usually food actually. So ingredients in Arabic means مكونات or مقادير. And the word instructions are the instructions are the things that someone tell you to do, okay? So instructions means تعليمات, all right? Ingredients مكونات or مقادير, and instructions means تعليمات. All right, so what do you think the answer is? The answer is ingredients, okay? She didn't have any of the ingredients to make the lasagna. Number 6, Sean. This name is pronounced Sean, okay? It's not seen, it's Sean. Sean took pictures of the beautiful landscape or climate while Dad was driving. We said before that the word landscape means nature, right? So in Arabic it means مناظر طبيعية. And the word climate is the usual weather. It's المناخ, okay? Climate is المناخ. So what do you think? Sean took pictures of the beautiful climate? Could that be possible? Of course not. Sean took pictures of the beautiful landscape. Number 7, the wolf carried its steak or prey to the other side of the forest before eating it. So we said before that the word state is a part of a large country, right? A state in Arabic means wilaya, and the word prey is means actually the animal that is being hunted by another animal, okay? By predators. So the wolf here is the predator, and okay, I think I said the answer. The answer is prey, all right? So the predator, which is the wolf, hunts the prey. Prey means farisa, okay? Farisa. Number 8, the students made their own invitations or traditions to their graduation. The word invitation is a piece of paper or it could be a card that invites someone to an event. Alright, so invitations means da'wat. Da'wat, not da'wat, which is praying. Da'wat, kart da'wa. Alright, and traditions, we said the word traditions means custom, right? A common way of doing things, something that many people do and have done for a long time. All right, a lot of you are confused about the meaning of the word traditions or custom. People, traditions or customs are actions, okay, or behaviors that people do for a long time, have done for a long time, and we keep on repeating the same traditions. We're following the same traditions. Traditions are عادات وتقاليد. So when I'm asking you about the tradition of a certain country, I'm asking you about عاداتهم, تقاليدهم. I'm not asking you about their food. I'm not asking you about their special food or special drinks. So you can't say that coffee, Arabic coffee, is a custom of Saudi Arabia. That's wrong, okay? And you can't tell me that abaya, for an example, or the ra'a is a custom. It's not. This is special clothes. So a tradition, okay, if you want a tradition related to food, you can tell me that drinking coffee while eating dates is a custom, is a tradition, okay, that most of us do here in Saudi Arabia. If you wanted a tradition related to clothes, abaya isn't a tradition, okay? And dara'a isn't a tradition, but you can say, I want you to relate this special thing to an action. You're going to tell me that wearing a dara'a in Ramadan is a tradition. Yes, this is a behavior. This is an action that most of us do and our elders have done before us, okay? Also, you can say wearing abaya when you want to go out, this is a tradition. Females wear abaya when they want to go out. Yes, this is a tradition. You wanted another tradition related to food? You can't tell me kabsa is a tradition. It's not. It's a special food. You're going to tell me, for an example, that most Saudi eat kabsa with their hands. Okay? This is a tradition. Yes. All right. I explained a lot. So here, number 8. The students made their own invitations or traditions to their graduation. They made their own invitations. Okay? صنعوا دعواتهم to invite their loved ones or their family members. All right, now let's go to exercise B. They're telling you to choose A, B, or C. You have to understand the meaning of every option. All right, number 1, long time no blank. Where have you been all this time? We can understand that these two people haven't met for a long time. So what do they say? Long time no hear, long time no see, or long time no speak? The answer is long time no see. I haven't seen you for a long time, okay? I've missed you. Where have you been all this time? All right? People usually say see, all right? Number 2, put water in a or an. You're going to say a if the answer is a saucepan, and you're going to say an if the answer is oven, all right? That's why it's an option here. It could be a or an. Put water in a or an and let it boil. Where do we put the water? All right, in an oven dish or a whisk or a saucepan. An oven dish, from the name actually, it's a dish that you use to put inside the oven. This is a picture of an oven dish, okay? You put the mixture in here and then you put it inside the oven. We've explained the meaning of the word whisk before. We said it could be a noun or it could be a verb. A whisk is the tool that you use to whisk ingredients, to whisk liquids, right? To whisk eggs, for an example. This is a picture of a whisk. It could be a noun or a verb. خفاقة in Arabic or يخفق. All right, next, the saucepan is the pan that we use to heat things, to heat food, right? So, and furthermore, we have here, we mentioned the meaning of the word saucepan, and we have the frying pan, which we use to make eggs, right? Or hamburgers, as I said before. So what do you think the answer is? We put water where? In an oven dish, or a whisk, or a saucepan, or a frying pan? Obviously, we put the water in a saucepan. Number 3, when the cake is ready, blank it in some aluminum foil. Is it wrap it, or mix it, or shape it in some aluminum foil? What do you think? All right, we said before that the word wrap means to cover something or to surround something, right? And we said before that mixing, means mixing. Mixing is to put things together and stir them, right? And we said the word, we didn't say this, all right, but I'm telling you now that the word shape means to form, all right? So wrap يلف, mix يخلط, and shape يكون, all right? Or يشكل. So can you, where are we? All right, question number 3. When the cake is ready, what are we going to do? We're going to wrap it in some aluminum foil. هنلفها. All right. Number 4. Can you open a blank of beans for me? The options that you have are slice, plate, or tin. We said that the word slice is a thin piece of food. We discussed this in the food lesson. Slice means شريحة in Arabic, all right? شريحة أكل, all right. B, plate, is a flat dish that you use to eat, to put the food in, and then you eat it from. All right, so a plate is a flat dish. And then we have the word tin. A tin is a closed metal or container in which we keep the food. All right, I'm going to show you a picture of a tin. This is a 10. Alright, صفيحة, علبة. Alright, we have tuna 10s. علبة tuna, right? Or corn 10. علبة الcorn, علبة الذرة. So what do you think the answer is? Can you open a what? A slice or a plate or a 10? Obviously the answer is 10. Number 5. He learned from a young age to blank his elders. Respect, which means to show good manners. Rely, which means to depend. Or impress, which means to dazzle. Respect in Arabic means يحترم. Rely means يعتمد. Impress means يذهل. So he learned from a young age to respect his elders. Finally, question number 6. Can you put me blank for the night? I have nowhere to stay. What do you think? Can you put me what? Up or in or down? The answer is can you put me up, which means can you have me over? تستقبلني, okay? In Arabic. We're done with the vocabulary part and I'll see you later. Ciao. Or au revoir. Au revoir. Since I started with salute, I'm going to say au revoir, which means goodbye in French.